How to set up an alert for your credit card payment. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open your Chase Bank application from your device and get logged into your account. From here, click onto the profile-like icon on your top right-hand side. As you do so, it will open up Profile and Settings option. From here, click on to View Alerts. Then here, tap on Alerts History. Then go ahead and tap on Payments option. Then under these four options, expand the first option. As you do so, you will see email, push notification, and text. You can check the box of all these three options in order to get an alert message. Once done, tap on Save Changes, and at the next page, it will show you that your changes has been saved, and that is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.